Hello guys. This is a step-by-step guide to upgrade and clean hang-on-back filter. This is a normal hang-on-back filter. I will show you how to upgrade this filter as a high-efficiency filter. This is upgraded hang-on-back filter. It will clean your aquarium super easy and fast. Firstly, open the lid and remove inflow pipe. Now you can see inside of the filter. It is only piece of filter sponge. This is normal coarse filter foam and I remove it. Materials need to upgrade the filter. First one is active carbon. Second one is bioballs, or you can use ceramic rings. In here I'm going to use bioballs. Another important material is biofoam sponge. This is a fine filter foam sponge. It has multi-layers. Also, it can be easily washable and cuttable. First step, put active carbon to the bottom. Active carbon positively impact on aquarium water quality from chemical filtration. It helps to remove chemicals and medication from the water. By removing these impurities, it helps to purify the water, also reduce discoloration and odor. You will see it. Next, put bioballs. Bioballs positively impact on aquarium water quality from biological filtration by providing a surface for beneficial bacteria to grow. Then bacteria can break down harmful substances, it contributing to overall water clarity and stability. Finally, put biofoam sponge to the top. This filter media plays a significant role in aquarium filtration, primarily in mechanical and biological filtration. Biofoam sponge acts as a mechanical filter by trapping debris, also uneaten food, fish waste, and other particulate matter from the water when water passing through the biofoam. The porous structure of biofoam sponge provides a large surface area for beneficial bacteria to colonize. These bacteria play a crucial role in the nitrogen cycle by breaking down toxic ammonia into less harmful nitrite and then into nitrate. These are the layers of hang-on-back filter. Now fix the inlet pipe. Then filter should fill with aquarium water before use it. Finally, this high-efficiency filter is ready to use. After 1 month update. Here you can see a lot of dirt and algae all over the filter. Now I remove the parts of the filter one by one. This is used biofoam sponge. Look at the color of this biofoam and remaining water. It is dark brown or black color. Look at my hands, I smell an unpleasant odor. This is a new sponge. Look at the difference between new and used biofoam sponge. Let's start the cleaning procedure. Now I'm going to remove bioballs and used active carbon. After the cleaning, filter should fill with new active carbon. Because activated carbon has a finite lifespan in terms of effectiveness. Over time it becomes saturated with the substances which it has absorbed, losing its filtering capacity. It needs to be replaced periodically, typically every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on tank size and stocking levels to remain effective. There are several colonies of green algae. All this dirt and algae should be removed from the filter. After the cleaning, there are no any algae or dirt. When you cleaning the filter, you can use normal tap water, but I not use any soap or chemical to clean filter. You can use small sponge to cleaning. Once used active carbon should remove, and use new activate carbon for the filter. I washed active carbon using tap water before use to remove other dust. Do not dispose of used bioballs. Clean it using aquarium water and reuse it for the filter. It's good for beneficial bacteria growth. Bioballs require occasional cleaning to prevent them from becoming clogged with debris or organic matter. It ensures optimal water flow through the filtration system and prevents the buildup of harmful substances in the aquarium. Also, place a new biofoam sponge for the filter. If you use old one, it's good for beneficial bacteria growth, but it can be clogged faster than new sponge. Thank you for watching.